Apple Intelligence has added a new cleanup feature in the iPhone Photos app that lets you remove photo bombers and unwanted objects from photos. You can watch how this feature works by clicking the I button or the link in the video description. A hidden application of this feature I discovered is that you can use it to hide faces in photos, making it easy to share photos on web while maintaining privacy. Here's how to use the iPhone Photos cleanup feature to hide faces in photos. Launch the Photos app on your iPhone and open the photo where you want to hide the face. Tap the 3-line editing button at the bottom to open the editing tools. Now, tap the cleanup button and paint over the face you want to hide. Your iPhone will automatically recognize what you're trying to do, and instead of trying to remove the face, it will pixelate it and hide it. You can also perform the same function on your Mac. Launch the Photos app, open the photo, and tap the edit button in the top right corner. Tap on the cleanup tab to open it. Now use your mouse cursor to paint over the face you want to hide. That's how easy it is to hide faces in photos on iPhone and Mac. However, since iPhone Photo Cleanup feature is part of Apple Intelligence, it's only available for iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 series devices. But don't worry, we have you covered. Watch this video next to learn how to hide faces in photos on older iPhone models that don't support Apple Intelligence. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.